Yes, I made my hair this messy on purpose. Deal with it. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do hair. It has been a while. I cut mine. See how short that is? I mean, that's short for me. My hair has been like down past my bra, but my old lady hair is dry and stringy, and I'm about maxed out right now. I think this is as good as it gets for me, so I'm making the best of it. This is probably the easiest way that you could style your hair, and if you don't believe me, just watch, try it, stick around. Okay, so a few tools that you need for this project is I'm gonna need a little bit of dry shampoo because my hair's been pulled back, so I need to revive it a little bit. And then I'm gonna use this r+co dry shampoo paste. That's for the end, for a little bit of finishing, and some clips, and a comb, and I'm gonna use a curling wand. This bad mama jamma is hot AF, so I have this little sleeve. It's like a heat protectant sleeve. So I'm just gonna keep it in there while it's over here so I don't burn myself. So because my hair has been pulled back, it's gonna be like a little flat to my head, so I'm not about that life. It's not gonna look great. So the dry shampoo is definitely gonna help that. This is Batiste. Okay, so I'm just putting the dry shampoo at my roots and then rubbing it in with my fingers because I'm trying to like lift my hair off of my scalp. I'm gonna, with my thumbs, right at my ears, pull half of my hair back. So I'm gonna pull, this is what we're working with here. And I'm going to just pull it in half. And then what you do, how big is that, 2-inch sections? You're gonna curl your hair in alternating directions. So the first, anything that's like near your face should be away from you, and then, you know, go the other direction and then alternate. So with the curling wand, be careful. They also have gloves for this, but I'm a renegade, okay? So I'm gonna hold it like this, wrap my hair around. Can you see that I've left out some of the end? But the end should be like weirdly straight, and it'll make sense once you have all of it done. If your hair is shorter, like mine, you know, shorter meaning like collarbone and up, your bottom layer is gonna matter a little less, and it's gonna be more difficult to do with a wand, so you could use an iron for this, like a one with a clamp, I mean. Okay, so it's a super messy curl. You just want to rake your fingers through it, see if there's any stragglers that are just not cooperating. Then you're gonna take a little bit of your dry shampoo paste, like that much. Just get it on your fingertips like this, and you're doing this kind of a motion. We're just gonna keep going, so let this down, like right here at the top of your head, like right at the top of your hairline, and then around. Go ahead and corral that layer, pile that on top, clip it out of the way. Same thing, pull it down the middle from the back, and then you can just sort of find the layers that have not been curled yet. They usually volunteer. You just grab them. My hair was pulled back, that's why there's that weird wave in it. I'm gonna comb them through just to make sure there's no weird tangles. And same thing, I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna make sure that very back layer is going backwards. See how much I've left out? How long do you hold your hair on kind of depends on the strength of your iron and how willing your hair is to take the curl. Mine is pretty willing, and this iron is hot AF. So my hair is sort of twisting. Do you see what just happened there? When it came around, it's twisting. So it's created a little bit of a rope. So it's not flat. See how that first wind around is flat, and then the second one is kind of a curled rope? It will look super cool. Wow, look at all my gray hair. Holy crap. Okay, and then when I let it go, see what happens? It's really cute. You see all those highlights? It's not highlights. It's gray hair. Ah! You know what's funny is the video on my channel right now that has the most views is my growing out bangs video. It's one of the earliest videos I ever did. It's terrible. I'm so uncomfortable in front of the camera. I'm stammering the whole time. The quality is not good. I had not like figured out my sound or any of that stuff. I mean, I've only just barely figured that out, let's be honest. I don't get it. It does have a really cool how to pin your hair back using only one pin. It's really cool. So you should check it out, I guess, if you haven't already, but it just blows my mind. Like, why is that so popular? It's terrible. See what we've got going on here? It's very wavy, it's wild, it's really cool. Same thing with your dry shampoo paste. Get a little bit on your fingers. You are just doing that. Any kind of texturizing cream or paste will help your hair be messier. Now we're getting to the top layers. So I'm actually gonna split this top layer into two. I'm gonna do the back layer first. So I'm just kind of dividing it kind of in half. It feels like, it's all by feel. Do that back one first so you make sure that it goes in the correct direction, which is back away from your head. So if you're not getting the curl that you want, try using bigger sections or smaller sections. Okay, I'm gonna skip the dry shampoo paste for now, but I am gonna go ahead and just sort of do that. What is that called? Zhuzh it up. Just use your fingers to rake it out. So my haircut is like a blunt lob, which is a long bob. So there's not a lot of layers going on. It's all kind of straight. It's really gonna come together when I do the top layers. When I let it go, I'm just gonna let my hair fall as it parts, but you know, kind of try to encourage it a little bit. And grab this back section, and I'm gonna start that curl, you know, pretty close to my head. The rest of them are a little more relaxed. There's a big old white hair. I can see it in the mirror. Can you see it? Good God. There, look at that. Yes! It's actually about the same. I think I'm gonna just do all these top layers back. See how much end is hanging out? That's what you want. You want those weird, crazy, straight, pokey outy things. Because that's the style, okay? This is what all the kids are doing. So, my hometown BFF, the one from the Where I Was in 2000 video, that I used to go to the club with, she's a hairstylist. She is so talented. Oh my gosh, she is a wizard. The part that turns me off from being a hairstylist is, number one, the responsibility of cutting somebody's hair. Ugh. And then two, like, there's science in there, you know what I mean? Like mixing colors and all that stuff, that's a lot. Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that. Mm-hmm. You like these faces? This is what concentration looks like, okay? Ooh, that's hot. So now that we're all done, should be pretty cool. You are zhuzhing. You're zhuzhing. You're fluffing. If your hair was like on the uncooperative side or on the clean side, this is where you would like hold it out, spray some hairsprays in there. You want it to be wacky, and I am dropping hairs freaking everywhere, and I have dry shampoo paste all over my fingers. You are zhuzhing until it looks the way you want it to look, and you just do a lot of this, okay? And then you could take a comb and you could get in those layers, those under layers, and just kind of do this number. This is back combing, and then that just kind of gives you a little bit of volume. The dry shampoo paste is no joke. Now my hair was down flat against my head, so I'm definitely getting a little bit of, it looks like I have hat hair or something like that, but I think that works for this look. I think it looks really cool. It gives you like a, I don't care, I'm too cool for this kind of a vibe. If you have some pieces that are not cooperating, now's the time to go back in and just sort of like spot curl a couple of things, or, you know, just let it be. Let it be. That's the style. This is the let it be. This is all me, by the way. No extensions. This is all my hairs. You could definitely add some extensions for a little bit more volume or length. Also, do you know my hair grows right out of my head like this? It's all me. All these grays, those are me too. Can't stop touching my hair. Okay, that's enough petting. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. Please subscribe. You can follow me on all the socials, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye! By the way, I cut my hair. See this? Cut. I cut like probably 6 inches off. Can you believe that? But it was straw, you guys. Straw. Straw! Shut up, train. It's very easy. This is very easy, you guys. I have so many hairs on me, which actually works really well for, ow. I just burned myself. And I'm wearing a black shirt, so, that's working out well.